Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must start with the essentials. Insert the SIM for the new number and confirm it can receive SMS or calls because verification requires it. Once done, make a full chat backup to Google Drive or iCloud so messages transfer. This preserves history. Then update WhatsApp and open settings, tap account, then change number. This begins the official migration process. Do this now so WhatsApp links your account identity and chat metadata to the new number without losing messages or group memberships. You'll enter your old number first, then the new number. This tells WhatsApp which account to move. Next, choose SMS or a call to receive the 6-digit verification code. Type it exactly as received. Make sure your device stays online and the new SIM stays active during verification. Once verified, WhatsApp detects a backup and prompts you to restore. Accept this to migrate chat history and media. This step ensures groups, profile, and messages follow you to the new number seamlessly. After verification, WhatsApp asks whether to notify contacts. Use all contacts or custom so people know your new number. This updates group linkages too. Make sure two-step verification PIN is still valid. If enabled, re-enter it to maintain security. If you don't receive SMS, request a verification call, confirm the new SIM is activated, and check network signal. If problems persist, restart the phone and retry. Contacting your carrier for SIM activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.